Hey, yo, welcome to the demonstration of the Defensive Self-Scout and Offensive Opponent Scout program from Lone Star Scouting and Analytics. The goal of this video is to show you the mechanics of this system and how to use it in a few simple steps, along with some other little tips and tricks. Okay, so this will be the first page that you view whenever you open up this program. Again, we're in the Game Data tab here at the bottom, which is where all your copy and pasting will be performed. This will be the only place where you have to edit anything in the program to make everything else work. So at the top, we have these header columns that will correlate with the game data tags that you break down in your film. Okay, so for example, we have our down, distance, field position, offensive personnel. Okay, and all we have to do is copy and paste over from our film breakdown into these correlated columns. So we want our down to go with our down, our distance go with our distance, et cetera, et cetera. Now, like I mentioned before, you can do this one column at a time, or you can group together multiple columns from your film breakdown if they're in the same order as this here. So for example, if your down, distance, field position, and personnel are in the same order, you can copy and paste 4 columns at a time, or you can even do all these columns at a time. Okay. We just want to make sure that we're getting the correct data into the correct column that it correlates with. Okay, so I have some data that I made up over here, and I'll just copy and paste it into here to show you how everything works. So this would be the same thing as you copy and pasting from your film breakdown system straight into here. So now we got this data over here. As you can see, it starts to auto populate and formulate over here. Okay, and then I'll do the next couple columns, copy and paste that data over. So copy, I come back here, I'll paste it in. So now all our data is in, everything that we wanted to see from our film breakdown. You can see it, everything's working in autopilot over here. Okay, so now all of these are self-generated. You don't have to do anything else besides just come in here and look at everything you want to look at. Okay, everything here is good to go. All of these reports, they're all available now for your viewing, all the way down here. So say you wanted to look at a quick snapshot of their third down. See what you're getting. This is everything right here. Okay. Same thing, you just want to keep looking through, see what they're running, maybe third down in the open field here from 11 personnel. These are all the calls you'll get and the percentage and all that kind of stuff. So you're free to scroll through here. Obviously, no other work is needed on your part except just now viewing and seeing what you want to look at. Okay. And then you can print out each of these reports if you would like, or just view them on here. It's completely up to your preference. So you can view and print one at a time, or you can hit Control and select all of these, however many you want to print, and it'll all print together. Okay. Let's see. Let's go to this one. One thing that is good to mention, sometimes these reports may look like they're not grabbing any data, like they might look blank. The one thing we kind of want to check is this right here. And it's just this little button on the top of each of these, okay? And all we want to do is make sure that these select alls are selected. Sometimes, for whatever reason, if it does something like this, all you're going to see is something like this. That's not what it's supposed to look like, obviously. So you want to come in here and hit that select all, and now your reports will be completely filled out. For whatever reason, if something accidentally hit another button or something like that in one of these columns or one of these tables, that's the way to go in and fix it. You just want to make sure that these select buttons are on, and then everything else will auto-populate itself. Okay. Just to reiterate, the only copy and pasting that you have to do are in these green columns straight from your film breakdown, that all the work you've already done, and then just copy and paste into the correlated data here, and then all of these will be automatic for you. And that's about it for this program. Hope this helped you learn how to navigate this program a little bit more, get a little more familiar with it, and best of luck.